Hmm. Kensington picked fast. Let's see. Yes, I have this tool. Whoa! That was really fast. I have this tool and I have this lock. I can probably do it fast too. We We can do it the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Open! 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 So I know where he lives. I'll send you to him. He will open you. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. I think I have too many rubber bands. I think I have too few rubber bands. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Open! Well, this was a joke video about how often things look so simple when someone else on the internet does it. But then when you try it, it's not as simple. You don't really know how to use the tools, and things are not as perfect as they seem on the internet. Listen, guys, you're his friends. Tell him to open. I'm a good guy, really. Tell him to open.